Yo, what's going on? Back at it again with another unboxing and unwrapping of some boxes, packs, all that good stuff. Today we got one of these MEOWTH VMAXs. Trying to work with this glow, this glare. But yeah, got this in, see there's like an Evolutions pack in there. There's like a sun and moon. So we can kind of get in there and see what's good in this one. And then we also have this special pack that I was able to score, which is this Kento Power. So these, it looks like they're all evolution packs in here, so I'm pretty excited to do this one. I might hold off, I'm not sure yet. I guess it just depends on how I feel after opening up this MEOWTH pack. So let's get started. I tried to change the setup a little bit. I had to ask my lady to kind of give a woman's touch on it. And this is kind of what I got going for now. Right. So we opened up the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Get these MEOWTHs out of here. Alright. At least they're in good condition. Sometimes the cards in the front, they don't come in the best condition. I think we ran out of the Champions Path sleeves, so we're gonna bust into these yellow ones I got from the other Elite Trainer box. So we can put this MEOWTH VMAX and this MEOWTH V into the protectors. Look pretty nice. Then we got this super big MEOWTH. I'm not sure. These are just really cool. I honestly like the back sometimes a little bit more than the front, to be honest with you. Alright, we got 5 packs. What's that? Unified Minds. I don't think I've even opened one of these before, so we can definitely get into that. Alright. So Unified Minds, Sun and Moon, Cosmic Eclipse, and Evolutions. Alright. Trying to fix the camera. Maybe I can take off some of the glare. Alright. Unified Minds. So let's try opening this up. Some of these are really hard to open sometimes. I might just use some scissors or something, because this is getting really difficult. I don't want to get a card or anything like that, so I'm trying to be extra careful. Alright, I'm starting to think about trying to play this because I'm trying to learn how to play the game, so I can at least mess around a little bit, but that is yet to happen. So let's get right into it. Got an energy card here. Alright, there we go. Energy card. Normilium Z. I've never seen. What is this? It's an item card. Okay. Apple. Let's see where the camera is. Let's try to move this more over here. Get some light. Alright. Maybe some more light over here somehow. Hapu. We got Dratini. Young Goose. Yanma. Execute. Murkrow, Kangaskhan. Oh, that's a reverse holo. I like that. Oh, Coach Trainer. I like this. These are awesome. Both of these are cool looking. Let's go ahead and keep this right here. Alright, we'll take one. Throw it in there. Almost next time up. Perfect. Alright. Coach Trainer. Perfect. Alright, Sun and Moon, Guardians Rising. I was able to even open this without the scissors this time. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. Max Potion. Machoke. Kind of like that. Energy Recycler. Wishy Washy. Slowpoke. Stuffle. Salandit. Mudbray. Glossopod. Double Glossopod. What is up? That is awesome. Have you ever seen that before in your life? Oh, so one's reverse hollow and one's the actual hollow. How about that? That's pretty cool. That's never happened to me before, at least. Awesome, awesome. I'll put these in the... I don't know if everybody puts all their hollows inside of packs, but I mean, it's still kind of good looking to me, so I'm going to keep doing it. I might end up buying a folder to keep most of this stuff because I've been just keeping it in the Elite Trainer boxes, but that's starting to get overfilled, so... Like this Blastoise on the front. You know, I'm getting a drink of water. Alright. Sorry about that. Let's get back into this. And as I'm uploading these videos, I haven't actually, like as I'm recording this one, I haven't uploaded one yet. Oh. Slugma. Flamini. Might have messed this one up on how I Weevil. Energy. Oh, see? Let's see if we can get that a little bit more over here. Because it needs to be cool with the camera. Makes everything kind of dark. Alright, I guess the darker background, I mean, I would rather have it closer up like this. Unified Fossil, Hakamo, Hardier, Woobat, Ducklet, Swirlix, and Grimer. Yeah, so I must have accidentally did this one differently. Alright. Okay. Maybe try to move this closer. Alright. Oh, this one's open. I thought it was left. So we got another Cosmic Eclipse. Alright. There we go. One, two, three, four. Alright. So we got Energy, Dusclops, Professor Oak setup, Ignite, Big, Skrelp, Pikachu, I like that angry one, that's a cool Pikachu. I don't know, Teddy Rusa, Nose Pass, Lit Leo, Lit, Golett, nice, got that. Don't want to shine too hard on it. Okay. Alright. We'll put this one in a sleeve. Okay. Evolutions. So we'll see how I feel. Alright. Let's open this up. Let's try to keep this a little bit of a mystery. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. What the fuck? I so fucked this up, but I got it on the first. Look at that. Oh my god. Let's go. And dude, I contemplated so hard on buying this at Target. But I actually got 25% off on the pack and I did it. Let's go, dude. We got the freaking Mega Charizard EX. Let's go. Let's go ahead and put this in a sleeve. I am amazed that this happened. This is what I'm talking about, man. I am so lit right now. This is super lit. Now I'm thinking I should have bought the other pack too, just to see what was inside that one. Oh man, I'm gonna go back over there. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh, let's not no glare. Let's try to get. Wow, that is awesome. Wow. Let's keep on going though. Trainers, Charizard, Spirit Leak, Kakuna, Full Heal, Weedle, Tangela, Ponyta, Doduo, Staryu, and a Caterpie. Man, if I would have did the, I think it's the 3 on the EX. I'll try 3 on the next one and see if that actually does a difference. But wow, that was amazing. I did not expect that to happen. You know what? Let's go ahead and cut it off there because I doubt I'm going to top it with the other packs. So we'll do it on another day. Good luck. Hey, good looking out. Thanks for, watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Did not expect to hit this Charizard. Let's go. Peace.